All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about how to run ads the right way. All right, so with everything going on with all of the messaging being filtered and stuff like that, we need to come at this a different way. And one of the ways that we can come at this is that we can specifically target the people who we're trying to get in touch with via Facebook and have them opt in from there. Now, the type of ad that you run, I'm not going to go into that. The purpose of this video is to show you how to create a custom audience based on the list that you have. So the very first step would be to obviously get a list, right? So you want to get your list, then you want to skip trace your list. You want to get the phone number and the email address to those people. And then you want to upload them to CosMoSys individually. So for each phone number that you have, you want to upload that list. For each email that you have, you want to upload that list. Okay, that's how we got to do it anyway to be able to market to every single phone number. For now, I'm working on a way to switch out the phone numbers, but for now, you got to upload, right now, you got to upload each phone number and each email individually. So this is what I'm going to do for the sake of this video. We're going to say email is not empty and phone is not empty. All right, I got 3,000 and something people. So I'm going to select just 20 of them. Oh, so before you export out of here, you need to do your columns for everything that you're going to need, right? So for the purpose of this video, you only need the name, the phone, and the email address. All right. So yeah, so name, phone, and email address. So you don't need last activity, you don't need the tags, and you don't need when it was created. All right, so we're going to export that list. Now we got it down there. And so we're going to go over to Facebook Business Manager. Now, this is not a tutorial on how to create a Facebook business ad account. If you need help with that, reach out to me directly and I'll look into getting something like that prepared for you guys. So as I said before, this is 100% focusing on building custom audiences. And I'm going to explain in the end, like why this is so powerful and why this is so important. So we're going to go to audiences once you get logged into your Facebook business ads account, your ads manager, I should say. And we are going to create an audience, a custom audience from a customer list right here, top right corner. We're going to hit next, import from MailChimp, download file, or C formatting guidelines. Has to include these, some of these anyway. So we got email, we got phone number, right? So, and we got first and last name. So let's go ahead. Does your list include a customer value? It does not. So we're going to hit no, and then we're going to go. And now we're going to upload that list. So let's hit that. Go ahead and choose the list, hit OK. And so now you're going to see what's mapped and what isn't mapped, what needs actions. So we're going to go to actions and we're going to map first name. Then we're going to map last name and contact ID and company name and business name. If we look in here, there's nothing in here for these. Oh, shit. So, yeah, you can actually do, I forgot about that. I haven't done this in a while. You can actually do city, state, and zip also. So let me go back and pull another list real quick. Hold on. All right. So what's mapped already is phone and email. And so even if you have a list that has all of these things on it, it will work the same. You would just have to do more over here, which is map all of those things. But if you upload all of them individually to CosMoSys at first, then you only have to do this for one column, if that makes sense. So let's say action is needed. We got first name. Let's go ahead and map that to first name. Boom. Last name. City. Boom. Oh, there we go. State Providence. Do they got postal code in here? Yep. And company name. Again, there's nothing for company name. All right. So now we got first name, last name, phone number, email address, city, state, and zip. Now, what this is doing is we're inputting enough information into the system for Facebook to be able to recognize these people inside of their personal database, right? So now we're going to go import and create. Your customer list is hashed and uploaded, 20 rows uploaded 100%. Now, there's 3 steps. You create a lookalike audience. And what a lookalike audience is based on the algorithms that Facebook has in its database of the 20 people that we just uploaded. It's going to look at all of the things that they do while they're online. Okay, that's how powerful this is. It's going to look at all of the things that these people do while they're online and then create an audience of people exactly like them that have the exact behaviors that they have online. Now, why that's so important is if you got a pre-foreclosure list, then people are looking up like how to stop pre-foreclosure, how to do all of this stuff, right? And so Facebook is going to look and read their data and see that is what they're doing when they're online, and they're going to find people in that area that's doing the same thing and create a lookalike audience of those people. Like that's just like, it's powerful as hell. So you're essentially letting Facebook do the work for you, right? And this don't cost anything. So after you create your, what we want to go from here though, is we're going to create an ad. It's taking a while because it's putting everything together. I'll pause it until it starts. All right, here we go. So I had to go back. So in case you got to start from the beginning, after you get your ad, your custom audience already uploaded, now you, if that like freaks out and doesn't do anything like it just did to me, you can just exit out of that and then go to your ads manager, and then hit create new ad, and then you'll see this page. So you're going to have to select all of these things. Again, this is not a tutorial on how to run ads, so we're not going to do that. But this part right here, audiences, use save audience, search existing audiences. This is the one right here. And you could do multiple audiences, I believe. I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, you could do multiple audiences. It's going to say this over here, like your reach is less than 10 people. But the thing is, you're only trying to reach, it's less than 10 people, obviously, because this list is only 20 people. But if you have a list of 20, 30, 40, 50,000 people, you've seen how many people I had over here in my entire system, right? Over 200,000. And that's not even all of my data. So you add the audience there, and then you just create whatever the ad is that you're trying to run to get these people's attention. Now, this can be anything. I'm not going to go into the types of ads that you should run. That's completely up to you. That's not the purpose of this video. But say, for example, okay, let me explain why this is so important. Say, for example, you have a pre-foreclosure list. You run an ad straight to those people. So only those people that are on that list, Facebook will find those people in their database for you and literally only show your ad to those people. That does 2 things. Number one, it saves you a shit ton of money on ad spend, because it's not just showing your ad to literally everybody on the planet, right? It's only showing your ad to the people who you wanted to show it to, which are the people that are on this motivated seller lead list that you pulled and skip traced. So it's gonna reduce your monthly ad spend for ads significantly. And the second thing it's gonna do is when those people click on your ad, they're opting in. So what you're gonna want to do is send them to a form. You see right here, it says form on Facebook. So you'll have to connect CosMoSys to your Facebook account, obviously. And you have them either fill out a form on Facebook, or you have them click on a link and go directly to your Facebook landing page. A landing page is not that hard to create. You can use one of the templates that we have inside of the system and create something really nice looking. And for example, if it's pre-foreclosures, you can run an ad, how to stop pre-foreclosure, right? And then they click on the ad, like they're reaching out for help at this point. Or probates, what to do when you inherit a probate property, run an ad like that. They click on it. Now you have an inbound lead. You just turned all of your outbound marketing into inbound marketing. And so from CosMoSys, now when those people opt in, guess what? No messages will ever get filtered because they already opted into your system. So you can run these ads congruently with your outbound marketing. Like, this is powerful. So there we go. That's how you do that with the custom audiences and stuff like that. Running how much you want to spend on the ads. I would advise not spending a shit ton, because it's literally only going to show it to the people who you want it to show it to. So you don't need a lot of ad spend. So You could do like $5 a day or $25 a week or something like that, and it will get in front of your people. And then on top of that, you can set up a retargeting ad that will pixel all of the people that click on your ad, that visit your landing page, and your ad will follow them all over the internet. The same thing applies to Google ads. Like this same process applies to Google ads. Yeah, so happy hunting, guys.